Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this warm type of feed on your Instagram feed. This is what I used to have, so this is what I'm going to be showing you first, so just follow these steps.
Come down, it's much too loud, paranoid. Too long we live with doubt. Whatever run till right now. You know that I'm hiding, can't be long. Shadows that I'm fighting make me strong. This throne in my mind is keeping me going farther than the reach of time. So she said, baby, it's all in your head, it's in your mind, I guess. This barrenness, she always seems to know best. I bet she's my common sense. Paranoid, you'll see when I'm down. Paranoid, I'm in get trouble crowd. Polaroid, your picture's fading too quickly now with the sound. You know that I'm hiding, can't be alone.
So this essentially would be like my recipe. So after I apply to the picture, I just edit the contrast and exposure due to like the lighting and how the image should look like.
So she said, baby, it's all in your head.
So next, this is actually the current theme of my Instagram, a cool theme. So these are the steps for a cool image or a cool Instagram feed.
She's my common